guys, it's Candy here. Welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to let you guys know that Murphy paid us a visit, and when I mean Murphy, I mean we had to get a new refrigerator yesterday, and so that took us by surprise. However, our old refrigerator was about 15 years old. So let me show you what we got and what we are now having to get rid of. Stay tuned. Here is our old refrigerator. It's a black Frigidaire. I believe it's about 18 cubic feet. So this is the refrigerator that kind of pooped out on us. We, just kind of put some towels around it so when it defrosted, it wouldn't leak everywhere. And then this is the inside, which it's pretty gross in there. So I'm kind of glad we're getting rid of it. The freezer was really nasty. It needed to probably be deep cleaned soon anyway. This is the old rack from the freezer. And I don't know if you can hear it, but it's dripping a little bit right there. And this is the inside. This drawer had kind of broken anyway, so we were either going to replace that part, so we were due up for a new one anyway. And there's the old drawers, as you can see, still kind of gross and nasty in there. Needed to be cleaned anyway, so now I don't have to so much clean it out. I probably will give it a quick clean up before it gets hauled away today. So a neighbor of ours is going to come help us haul this one off to go to a local recycling place. And now let me show you our new refrigerator. So our new refrigerator is an LG. It is 26 cubic feet, I believe. So quite a bit bigger than our old refrigerator. And this one has the freezer on the bottom. And we got this new refrigerator from Lowe's. I think with the refrigerator and the new braided hose that we got for the water line, it cost us about $1,100 total. So they're running some really good deals right now on refrigerators at Lowe's. I believe because they're having a 4th of July day sale. So as you can see here, we have all new racks. And this is something we didn't have before, this little tiny tray, which is really cool because now we can fit our more flat stuff like eggs, and there's some dip in there, cheeses, probably some deli meats and stuff like that. And as you can see, it has this little flip switch to do where you can say it's fruit or vegetables. So you can see this one's flipped to the vegetable side because that's where we're keeping our vegetables. And so yeah, and here's the door panels. And you can flip these little shelves up and down. Oh, sorry, that's the alarm letting me know the fridge door is open, which is pretty convenient because when you have little kids, sometimes they have a tendency not to shut the door all the way. And so this is pretty cool because we can now actually fit gallons of milk up here, which is something we didn't have in the old fridge because it was so small. And now down here we're able to fit a lot more condiments too per shelf, which is really great. Apologize, that's the notification bell that I've got the door open. All right, so I'm going to close that. Oh, let me show you up here. We have some creamer and butter up here. And I suppose you could put your eggs up here if you wanted to, but I just chose to put them in that bottom tray inside of the refrigerator. So let's close that until let's take a look at the freezer compartment down here. So this is a bottom freezer. And here's the main compartment. It's very deep and very big. It fit all of our stuff from the old fridge in here. You know, we consolidated a lot of things. And then here's the ice tray. And the first few rounds, or actually the first probably 5 or 6 rounds of ice, you have to get rid of because the carbon filter stuff gets in there, and so you have to get rid of it. You don't want to consume that. And then here's some of the rest of our frozen items up here. We have a lot of freezer packs. I don't know if I'm going to keep all of these or not. We have some little mugs that you can freeze and keep your beverage cool, so we put those in here in the top part of the freezer, and that tray slides back to reveal the bottom part of the freezer. So anyway, really digging the new refrigerator. And like I said, this is an LG. I believe it's 26 cubic feet. And really digging it, although this stainless steel doesn't really match our other appliances, because as you can see, we kind of have a black and white oven, and our dishwasher is solid black. And actually we had to repair our dishwasher a while back because we thought it was going out on us. We thought we were going to have to get a new one, but my husband was able to find the part and just repair it, which was awesome because I believe the part was only like $2 or $3. So he got in there and he repaired it. That was really awesome that my husband was able to repair it for a couple of bucks, you know. And this dishwasher, it looks like it's a Kenmore, has been here since we moved in. So it's already 10 years old, if not older than that, because it was here when we moved in, when we bought the house from the gentleman that lived here before. And so the only other appliance we have is the oven, and I am going to be releasing a video of me cleaning this oven soon, so stay tuned for that. It was really gross in there. Like, I'm telling you guys, like 9 and 10 years of crud in this oven. And I will also say that behind this old refrigerator, before we got the new one, it was so gross and cruddy back there. It was so disgusting. I mean, the mop water looked like chocolate milk. So let me just say that that's one of those places that if you're going to do a deep clean, you need to get behind the refrigerator. So, but also, as you can see, I've got some cleaning to do today, because yesterday was chaos because our refrigerator went out on us suddenly and we had to go get a new one. So as you can see, everything is piled up, and I've got to figure out what I'm going to do with this microwave too, because not only does it need to be cleaned on the top and on the inside, but it was sitting on top of our old refrigerator, because as you can see, our kitchen is not very big at all. It's kind of like a little galley kitchen, really, I guess you could say. I guess you might call it that. And so our microwave used to sit on the top of the refrigerator. So as you can see here, but there's this weird kind of ridge on top of this refrigerator. I don't know if you can see that. So that may or may not prevent us from putting the microwave back on top of this refrigerator. And if we're not able to put the microwave back on top of the refrigerator, we're going to have to consider other options. I may have to sell this microwave and get a smaller one, or we may have to sell this pretty big toaster oven that we have and put the microwave here on this countertop, and then just get like a regular, you know, 2 or 4 slice toaster instead. So we shall see how it goes, guys. But in the meantime, let's get this kitchen clean. So stay tuned for that.
regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be gone. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like that. Your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Your arms and stay with me, baby. Throwing aside, I can't wait to start. You should call the police. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me, make me your shining star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like that. Your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Your arms around
I'm back. I'm done doing my cleaning. And so I got the microwave cleaned, I got the kitchen cleaned, and I got the old fridge kind of cleaned out. By cleaned out, I mean I just wiped the excess water out of the refrigerator so that when my husband and our neighbor transports it to the recycling center, they won't get wet. Next, I'm going to take inventory of the groceries I have in my home, and I will be coming up with a meal plan, and then I will be placing my order and bringing a haul to you in the next several minutes. So stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm back, and I just wanted to show you guys my process for, I guess, meal planning before I place my grocery order. So let me show you my process. So basically I have here my little notebook. This notebook is from Dollar Tree, and it has a little strap with it. I don't know if you can see that, but normally it's around it. I also like to use their bold, bright pens that you can get there. This is the Ink R2 Blast, 0.7 millimeter. I like to use this. I enjoy the bright, bold colors of this series of pens. So on the first page here, I take inventory of what I already have in my pantry. So for instance, I had eggs, block sharp cheddar, sliced Swiss cheese. I had 4 slices left, hot dog buns, pancake mix, 1 chicken breast, a ½ pound of ground beef, a half jar of spaghetti sauce, a half a package of spaghetti noodles, tortillas, sour cream, mashed potato flakes, kidney beans, and a half loaf of bread. So with that in mind, then I go on to my next page, which is my meal plan. So since I'm shopping on Friday, I start with Saturday for my meal plan. And so for Saturday, we're going to have pizza. We usually have pizza at least once a week. Sunday, we're planning to do hot dogs with tots or chips. The reason being is because I already had not hamburger, but hot dog buns available. We were supposed to go to my parents' house for Father's Day, but that got canceled because my brother-in-law had some people in his office test positive for COVID, so that was a no-go for us, so that got canceled. So then we had some hot dog buns available to us, which I put in the freezer, so we're going to use that for one of our meals this week. And moving on to Monday, we're going to have spaghetti with garlic toast. Tuesday, we plan to have tomato soup and grilled cheeses. Wednesday, we plan to have breakfast for dinner. And we usually have breakfast for dinner at least once a week as well. And on Thursday, we plan to have fish with a side item. As you saw in my inventory before, we have mashed potatoes, or we could do kidney beans as a side. And then on Fridays, we usually either eat our leftovers or we do some takeout. So, moving on, this is my grocery list. These are the items that I actually need to buy for my dinners for this week. So, we need to buy pizza. I need to buy the hot dogs. I need to buy chips. I need to buy garlic toast. I need to buy 2 of the small cans of tomato soup. And I need to buy sliced cheese, which actually on the sliced cheese, we already have block cheese in there, which I think was on my inventory. And if it wasn't, I went back and looked, and we do have some sharp cheddar, not sliced cheese, but block cheese, which we can use for the grilled cheeses for our meal plan. We had half a loaf of bread in the inventory, but I think I'm going to buy another loaf because I also like to have toast for breakfast, so we would probably go through that very quickly if we just used it for our meal plan alone. We also need bacon for our breakfast for dinner meal plan slot, and I also need to buy some more fish. So I hope that this was helpful in showing you guys how I plan out my meals. It can save you a lot of money doing it this way because you're taking inventory, you're creating your meal plan based on what you already have, and then you plan your grocery list accordingly. Now, this was just for dinners. which, you know, if you like to plan the whole shebang, I mean, you could plan for a whole month, a whole week. You could plan breakfast, lunches, and dinners. So, you know, however you want to do it, but I just at least like to plan my dinners out for the week. And this is my process, and I hope it was helpful. And coming up, stay tuned. We will have a haul here shortly after I place my order. All right, guys, so my Instacart order has arrived, and without further ado, let's just get to it. So as you can see, I ordered Aldi again. First off, we have a Citrus Twist 12-pack. These are caffeine-free. My children like to occasionally have a soda, and so does my husband. I myself do not drink sodas. I mean, I might pop one occasionally, but most of the time it's a no-go for me. I cut sodas out a long time ago. And on my order, I only ordered one, but for some reason, my shopper, who was awesome this time, insisted that I ordered 2 of these, and I tried to tell her that I didn't. And when I looked back on my order, I did not order 2. I only ordered 1. So let's move right over here to this big box. We got our Mama Cozy's Texas Toast garlic flavor, and this is really great. We like this with our spaghetti for our meal plan. We also have 100% juice mango passion fruit. The kids really like this. And for me, I wanted to give this a try because they were out of a lot of my sparkling beverages that I normally get. So I'm going to try this Fit and Active strawberry lemonade flavor water beverage. And so it says it has 5 calories, caffeine free, very low sodium. Let's see what other health information we can see about it. Not quite as many benefits as the frosted ice drink. It does have some potassium in it, which sounds pretty good, but I think the frosted ice drinks, which I did get a couple of those, and we'll go over those in a bit, have a little bit more, you know, vitamins and minerals in it. So moving on, we got our snack Swiss rolls from Baker's Treat that we like to eat. The kids and myself and my husband like to eat these for a sweet treat occasionally. They usually get to them before I do, so there's usually gone, which gives me an excuse not to eat them. Here we have our strawberry kiwi juice from Nature's Nectar. My son really enjoys this flavor, and I guess so does my daughter. Pretty much, they both enjoy that flavor of juice. I ordered me some more unsweetened almond milk from Friendly Farms. And coming back over here, let's see if we can get to these other beverages before we go over this other stuff. Some more juice. I got the Simply Nature Organic Lemonade from Concentrate. And right here we have Nature's Nectar Splash Berry Blend. It says it's an excellent source of vitamin C. It says it has no certified synthetic colors. I don't know if that's just jargon for there might be some synthetic colors in it or not. Hopefully not. But anyway, we have this, and this looks like it's going to be comparable to V8 Splash. Let's see. And next we have some Pop-Tarts, frosted chocolate fudge. My kids like to either eat these for snacks or a quick breakfast item. We also have our Clancy's pretzel sticks. The kids definitely eat these for a snack, and they really like these. Okay, another snack treat, or a sweet treat rather. This is the Benton's peanut butter filled cookies. And we got a pound of strawberries from Wish Farms. These are California strawberries. Okay, I'll go ahead and get this juice out. We've already gone over that one, I think, but just to be sure, this is the Nature's Nectar 100% juice mango passion fruit blend, and this one's really good. Like, I've tried this one, and I think out of all these other juices, this one might be my favorite. Right here, I decided this week to go with the Pueblo Lindo restaurant tortilla strips, party size. I know I normally get the Simply Nature organic style tortilla chips, but I decided to go with the big party size bag this time. All right, back over here to my bags. Let's see what we have in the bags. We have some red grapes, red seedless grapes. 2 pounds worth, and those look really good. And guys, I like to freeze these. They make an awesome frozen snack during the summertime. I mean, you can't beat it. It's a healthy frozen snack. So freeze your grapes, guys. I mean, they're really good. Let's see what else we have. We have some bananas right here. And I believe these are the organic bananas. So they're looking like they probably need to be eaten soon, but you know, pretty good. And let's see, oh, here's another meal plan item right here, if I can get it out. These are the wild caught Alaskan cod that we ordered. I think in our last meal plan we ordered the wild caught Alaskan salmon. But I wanted to try the cod this time to see how that is. It looks like it's gonna be good, so I'll let you guys know. Right here we have some of the Countryside Creamery Rich and Creamy Heavy Whipping Cream. I like to use this in my coffee in the mornings. And of course I drink decaf coffee because I cut out caffeine quite some time ago. It was causing me too much anxiety to be drinking caffeinated coffee. And let's see what's next up. Okay, we have some bacon. This bacon is for our breakfast for dinner meal slot. And this is by Appleton Farms. It's hardwood smoked. We've had this bacon several times and it's really awesome. Let me know how you like to cook your bacon in the comments below. We cook ours on a sheet pan. I know some people like to fry theirs up in a skillet, so let me know below how you like to fry up your bacon if you eat bacon. Next up, we have some uncured beef hot dogs. These are by Simply Nature and these are organic. That sounds really good. No nitrates or nitrates added, not preserved. So we'll see how these are. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there's actually only 5 hot dogs in this package. So I don't know why I counted to 7. My math skills are a little off today, I guess. And last up in this bag, we have the premium pork sausage from Appleton Farms. No artificial colors or flavors. This is really good. My husband really enjoys this. He'll cook this up and for a quick lunch, quick breakfast. This is really good. It's a very mild pork sausage, so it's really awesome. Okay, moving along to this bag, we have our honey wheat bread from Love and Fresh that we typically order. This is going to be used for our grilled cheeses on our meal plan. Also, we have some Clancy's Kettle Chips, the mesquite barbecue flavor. And then we also have the, if I can get it out of here, excuse me, Clancy's Kettle Chips jalapeno flavor. And we're planning to eat these with our hot dogs or if our tots don't work out for everybody. Okay, so moving right along, we have our weekly Mama Cozy's Take and Bake extra large pepperoni pizza. This is with a traditional crust, or at least I hope it is, because my kids do not like the thin crust version. And actually, I found that the last haul I did was a Walmart haul, and so we got their brand. I believe it's called Market something or other, Marketplace, I don't know. Anyway, Market from Walmart brand pizza. I mean, it's pretty good, but there's just something about the Mama Cozy's crust and the ingredients that we just like it so much better than the one we got from Walmart. I don't know, the crust with the Walmart one was just kind of grainy texture in your mouth. It was kind of strange to me. It had a weird mouthfeel. Anyway, moving along, set that right there. We got 2 gallons of 1% low-fat milk, as you can see there. We got our 2 cans of a tomato soup. This is from Chef's Cupboard, condensed tomato soup, and we plan to eat these with our grilled cheeses. Here are some mixed nuts, less than 50% peanuts. This is by Southern Grove, and it also has sea salt. It has peanuts, almonds, cashews, hazelnuts, and pecans. So, looks like that's gonna be pretty good. My husband likes to eat these for a snack, and so do I, and so do the kids. We also have 2 of our gallon waters. Like I said before in previous hauls, I like to use these for our Keurig because we don't like to put tap water in it. We also have some medium chunky salsa by Casa Mamita. I like to eat this as a snack, and that's why I got the tortilla chips by Pueblo Lindo over there. I'm gonna eat this as part of my lunch and snacks, during the day. And last but not least, I have my sparkling frost drinks. Now, the reason I only have 2 sparkling frost drinks is because they were out of stock. Like, literally the only other flavor I could find was the orange mango. So I only got 2 of these, which means I'm probably gonna have to go to Walmart and get sparkling ice so that I can have my sparkling juice beverages. So this is a flavored sparkling water beverage with other natural flavors. I said juice, but it's a water beverage. And this is the one that has more, vitamins in it. This one has vitamin A, vitamin D, potassium, niacin, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, biotin, and pantothenic acid. I'm not sure what that is, but anyway, it's only got 5 calories and 2 grams of carbs in it. So a great alternative to your sodas there. I believe it's sweetened with sucralose. And it does have some flavonoids in it. It has some green tea in it, which does not, for some reason, it doesn't have caffeine, even though it has some green tea in there, I believe. So pretty good. I really like these. I like most of the flavors. I haven't found a flavor that I don't like yet. I mean, while this pink grapefruit is not my favorite flavor, I'll drink it and it tastes just fine. Guys, that's all for my haul today. So let me tell you guys how much I spent on this order. So the subtotal was $78.49. The checkout bag fee was 20 cents. Sales tax was $2.33. The tip at 5% was $3.92. The service fee was $1.49. We got a credit of $10.81 for a grand total of $75.62. And, I also got that freebie because I got that soda that I didn't actually order that my shopper insisted that I ordered. So I got a free 12-pack of sodas in with that deal. And so the tip is $3.92, but I'm probably gonna up that because she did such a great job. I really got an awesome shopper this time, and I like to reward great shoppers with a bigger tip. So I plan to increase that tip, and that will probably increase my overall total by a couple of bucks. But like I said, the final total was $75.62. Now, the credit that I received on this order was due to the fact that my last Instacart shopper really fudged up part of my order. We got crushed bread, we had just dirt on the outside of our milk, among other things. They didn't pick good melons for us. They didn't pick good produce. I mean, it was just a disaster pretty much. Oh, and my ice cream was melted. Like, most of my ice cream products or my frozen products were melted when I received them. That was a major issue. So I reported it. And of course, Instacart, as always, gave me a credit on my next order. And I think sometimes they offer, if you just want a straight up refund, they'll do that too. So Instacart's been pretty good to us, and most of the shoppers have been pretty great. And if you haven't seen my Instacart review, I'll try and link that video below. But guys, I really appreciate you stopping by and watching my video. If you will, please give me a like. I would love it if you would subscribe and hit that bell for notifications every time I upload. And as always, guys, I hope you have a great day. Take care. I'll see you next time.